In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Mailerlite branding so all your emails and landing pages automatically match your brand. When you set this up the right way, you only have to do it once. From then on, every new campaign, automation, and landing page will start with your logo, your colors, and your style already in place. It saves a lot of time, and it keeps everything your subscribers see looking clean and consistent. Let's start from your Mailerlite dashboard. Look up to the top right corner of the screen. You should see either your profile picture or your company name there. Click on that, and in the drop-down menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This is where all the global settings for your account live, including your default branding. Once you're inside the Account Settings area, look for an option called Default Settings and click on it. This is the section that controls how new emails and landing pages are styled by default. First, you'll set your default logo. Find the default logo section and click on the button that says Add Logo. This will open your file manager. From here, upload your logo if it's not already there, then click on it to select it. Mailerlite may give you an option to force update this logo into existing drafts and automations. If you want everything you've already created to use the new logo, go ahead and enable that. If you'd rather only use it for new content going forward, you can leave that turned off. Next, define your brand colors. You'll see fields for primary color, secondary color, heading color, text color, and border color. The primary color is usually your main brand color, often used for buttons and key highlights. The secondary color supports it, maybe for accents or backgrounds. The heading and text colors control how your titles and body text will appear, and the border color is used for outlines or dividers. If you have specific hex codes from your brand guidelines, type them in here so everything is perfectly on brand. Then select your default font. Choose a font family that matches your brand's personality and is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. This font will be applied automatically to your new emails and pages. You can also add your social media links. Paste in the links to your main profiles. These will appear automatically whenever you use social link content blocks, so you don't have to re-enter them every time. When you're happy with everything, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Once saved, your Mailerlite branding is turned on and will be applied to all new content you create going forward.